Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of feeling more connected with the energy of the earth. That's a great way to work if you want to feel more grounded and more relaxed. With all that's expected of us from other people and ourselves, we can get really overwhelmed, and that's almost a little bit like you're floating above the earth. You're not physically present on the earth, which means that we're not able to be at the highest level that we can be. So here's a very simple exercise to work with that. So before we do that, let's have a moment just to place our hands in front, let the palms face down, and just get a sense of the energy beneath you. We're all very familiar with gravity that pulls down on us, but there's an equal and opposite force that rises up from the earth. This is the unconditional love of the earth because we are of the earth. And we just want to have a moment just to get a sense of that. And we know that there's an equal and opposite force because otherwise gravity would push us down and we'd be flattened like a bug. There would be no way to operate on Earth if we only had gravity pushing us. So we have this equal force that allows us to be active and go about doing all that we want to do. So as we just have moments to do this from day to day, just tap into that chi. And then I'm going to invite you to pull some of that up. That's what the name of the exercise is. Pulling up the earth. So we're going to imagine grabbing some earth energy and imagine it coming up through your feet, through your torso, all the way up the top of your head, and now let's send it down and all around us, creating a beautiful bubble of light all around you. Inhale, pulling it up through the center, out through the crown, and down all around you. And if you can, let your tongue rest on the upper palate. Close the mouth and breathe only with the nose. Inhale up. Exhale as your hands drop down, creating a nice protective bubble of energy all around you from the earth. And smile, you're getting this connection. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's do a few more. Just getting a sense of pulling this energy up through the body, sending down around the body. And last time. Good. And then let's just tap into the earth once again. Feel more connected. And you can do a few rounds of Earth Qigong if you'd like to support yourself as well. I have another video for that if you want to try that to give you a little bit more connection with the earth. Let's just place our hands here, take a few deep breaths. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.